Hey beauties, it's Riri, and today's video is all about my Ipsy Glam Bag and Glam Bag Plus for February. Alright beauties, before we dive in, please don't forget to thumbs up the video if you like what you see, subscribe down below, and share the video out if you do enjoy the content. It really does help me a lot. And don't forget about the little join button right down there that you can click to become a channel member for exclusive perks. Thank you to my channel members. We're diving right on in. We're going to make this short and sweet. We just received our PR Ipsy Glam Bag and Glam Bag Plus for the month of February. If you are unfamiliar with Ipsy Glam Bag, the standard Glam Bag is $13 monthly for a makeup cosmetics bag and 5 travel try me size items. Occasionally we get real lucky, y'all, when we get a full size item, and you can customize and pick one of those items. And the Glam Bag Plus is a $28 monthly makeup beauty subscription where you'll also receive a bag and you get 5 full size items. You get to pick 3 of those products. This is basically a sneak peek / spoilers, and I do want to ask for you guys' input. Please comment down below and let me know what you think. I think moving forward, because I do still get my paid for Ipsy, with my PR package at the first of the month, I think I'm really just going to showcase this as an unboxing and a kind of spoilers, this is what you could get. Then, in the middle of the month when I receive my paid for Ipsy Glam Bag, I will take the products that I know I'm going to keep and love from this box and from my paid for subscription, and then I will do a try on for you guys. So let me know how you guys feel about that, just about making this video short and sweet so you can see the spoilers, because let's just be real, that's why you're here. And then when I get my paid for bag, we can try on some goodies on our face. And keep in mind, nothing goes to waste. I do have a pay it forward pile that goes to you guys. So we are going to dive in, and our theme for February 2022 is Ipsy Full Hearts. Swoon over the real and totally unfiltered you. We are completely unfiltered right now, honey. Whether it's snapping a glam selfie or cozying up with your fave rom-com, treat this month as an invitation to fill your heart with what you love. I think that is awesome. And this is a PR package. It is gifted to me through ipsyopenstudios, so thank you to Ipsy. The bag is so cute. It is a beautiful red bag with some really pretty pink hearts. And I love that the zipper pull tab is also a little heart. So we're going to dive into our regular Ipsy Glam Bag for the month. This is our $13 bag. Already seen some good stuff, y'all. First up, I see the Lacto Cica Soothing Toner from Unpa. Hopefully I am saying that right. Next up, I have plenty of these, and I really love this product. It's the MAC Fix Plus. It is a little mini. And I really love products like this, first and foremost, because I love to travel with these products. I like to keep my bags so that I can put them on my pay it forward or also travel with them. But it's a really wonderful and inexpensive way to test MAC Fix Plus that has a little bit of a higher price point. And if you love this, then you can invest in buying the full size. And if you don't, then you know you can save some money. Next up is a Bobbi Brown Smoky Eye Mascara. Y'all know I love mascaras. Next up, we have a Context Hide Your Heart. I'm going to go ahead and assume that this is a lipstick. And then last but not least, we have a Gold Faden MD Solution Radical Difference Advanced Antioxidant Serum. So in my standard glam bag, I feel like it is the mix that most of you guys like. A kind of 3-to-2 ratio. 3 more makeup type products and then 2 more skincare type products. Not bad. Not bad at all. What do you hope to get in your regular Ipsy Glam Bag? Now we're going to dive into our Ipsy Glam Bag Plus, and the bags will always be a coordinating bag. I think that is super cute. And first up, we have a 111 Skin Cryo Pre-Activated Toning Cleanser. This, of course, is a full size. Next up, we have a Clean Skin Club Vitamin C Brightening Booster with watermelon, green tea, and pineapple. And of course, it is also a full size. Everything in our Plus bag is a full size product. Next up, I see some brushes. We can never have enough brushes. And actually, I've been wanting some really small definer type brushes. This is a brush set from Firma Beauty. And there are 3 very small, more like detail type brushes. I've been wanting to try a very similar brush to this through Refer, and I just haven't gotten the chance to try them yet. If you've tried Refer brushes, please let me know. I hear fantastic things. Next up, we're almost done, y'all. We have the Beauty For Real gel eyeliners. We have the Heaven's Door and Night Fever. Heaven's Door is more of like a beautiful creamy nude or white. And the Night Fever is a darker shade. I like that play on words. I think that's super cute. And then last, hopefully not least, we have the Persephone by Dito palette. Hopefully I am saying that right. And I will quickly open this up for you guys and just kind of see what it looks like. Again, let me know if when I do my paid for subscription, would you like to see a try on of every item that I am keeping. The packaging is so, so pretty. I'm going to assume that this is an indie brand, which y'all know has my heart and soul. Very cool and very unique. I love this color story. This I would 100% keep and use. It does have a mirror. And it does fold all the way back, which you guys know I also really like. Definitely my vibes. I think that is beautiful. I've not heard of this brand at all, so now I'm even more intrigued and even more excited to test this out. All right, so I feel like we got the exact same thing. We got a 3-to-2 ratio. We have our 3 makeup products, and then we got 2 skincare products. I actually really love both bags. I think I'm gonna have to say that the Plus was my favorite this month. The bags themselves, I think, are incredibly cute. Yeah, I love this bag. I really like this bag a whole lot. Let me know your thoughts down below. What are you hoping to get in your bag? What did you pick for your choice in your bag? That's it, beauties. I love you. Stay happy, healthy, and safe, and be your own best beautiful. Bye, beauties.